you ever witnessed the sheer power of giant chainsaws designed to knock down trees in seconds? These are not just tools, but steel warriors with sharp cutting blades and powerful roaring sounds that make the whole forest shake. Subscribe to the channel and get ready to explore the dramatic world of the most powerful chainsaws on the planet. Just look at the combination of the Nisula 555C and Volvo 145 with the Flex 14 chassis on the rough trails of the dense forests of Northern Europe, and you will immediately realize its outstanding power. Every cut from the Nisula 555C is absolutely precise, like a graceful dance of an artist. It's hard to imagine being more productive when everything is perfect down to every detail. You know, working in the forest is like a challenging adventure. There are days that are full of excitement, but there are also times when you just want to get it over with. However, the most important thing is that everyone returns home safely after each working day. And to me, that is the real victory. Who would have thought that tree root removal could become a spectacular performance with the LaCruz Eradicator hydraulic cutter? Like a mechanical ballet dancer, it glides smoothly through the soil, lifting and easily uprooting even the most stubborn roots. Three bars and serrated rollers coordinate perfectly, controlled by a powerful independent hydraulic system. This is a spectacle of power and precision, making difficult work simple. This is the true power of True Beast mode. Do you dare to experience it? Click register and let me know your answer. Man, this tree is pushing him back. Never underestimate the value of old equipment. This video proves that even though a saw may seem like a piece of junk, with a little effort and knowledge, it can become a useful tool. Remember, sometimes the most valuable things are what we already have. Before discarding, think about whether it can be recovered or reused. You'll be surprised what you can do with a little creativity. Trocero is pictured at work in the mountains of Durango, Mexico, as giant chainsaws roar through dense, tense, and challenging forests. Palato's TM1200 and TB900 represent two cutting-edge firewood processing machines. The TM1200 with a 22 kW motor and 22 tons of cutting force handles logs up to 47 inches in diameter, while the powerful TB900 with 40 tons of cutting force, adjustable to an output size of just 0.79 inches. Both machines deliver the perfect combination of power and precision, optimizing productivity for large-scale firewood cutting jobs. DAH 150A, TimberPro TL 725B and DENIS, CIMAFN. These industrial forest mowers easily glide through the forest, crushing every obstacle in their path with unbelievable power. Don't let the compact size of the A1 124 fool you. This tractor really packs a punch. With its powerful AGCO Power 44 AWF engine, delivering 124 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, combined with the Palm 7.86 trailer and crane, it offers impressive lifting capabilities and excellent maneuverability. This is the ideal machine for tough forestry jobs, where strength and flexibility are indispensable. Why cut down great old trees? Is it for temporary benefits that we forget our heritage and place in this world? The tree stump harvester and removal machine uses advanced drilling technology, penetrating more than 50 km deep to sever the root system without disturbing the soil. This method protects soil structure, reduces erosion, and maintains fertility while providing superior speed compared to manual methods. If you are facing muddy and rough terrain, the Valmet 840.2 is the powerful ally you need. With the ability to handle up to 9 tons and built to last in harsh conditions, the machine tackles every challenge with ease, like a walk in the park. Its superior strength helps handle tough work with ease. Get ready, everyone! Before our eyes is the majestic power of the Husqvarna 390 XP, combined with a roaring 36-inch steel bar. This was not simply a felling of a tree, but a display of raw power mixed with virtuosic skill. Who is ready to witness? Watch the moment the giant falls before this legendary duo. Take a look at the Caterpillar 309 CRA multi-purpose machine with an overhead saw and integrated cleaning hook. Not only does it prune tree branches with absolute precision, but it also cleans everything up right after, all in one seamless beat. This is the pinnacle of smart design. The timber industry in New Zealand's North Island is an indispensable pillar of the economy, where vast oak forests combine with modern machinery to meet market demand in a sustainable way. Imagine this. You're sitting on a John Deere snowmobile, gliding through forests, conquering steep slopes and dragging giant logs as if nothing was wrong. The engine roars, blending with the whispers of nature, and you find yourself at the controls of a majestic machine, imbued with undeniable power and majesty. With the Logosol M5, you will have complete peace of mind when processing wood, whether you are a novice or a machine enthusiast. Although the machine has not been completely optimized, with its high-speed wood sawing ability and excellent precision, it provides an outstanding usage experience. Even though it has not been completely modified, the machine is still easy to use and stable, helping newcomers quickly get used to it, and woodworking enthusiasts can enjoy it comfortably. It was incredible to see the Claas Exhilarating 4000 equipped with the NHS 450 wood chipper working at full capacity in the forest. This giant machine rushed through each forest, roaring fiercely as the wood chopping arm swallowed large tree trunks in the blink of an eye. Wood shavings flew in all directions, forming a light mist that covered the space, while the sound of the chopping machine echoed everywhere. Let's talk about productivity when wreaking havoc on the gods of street warriors. If you have a rental case, see X135SR, the job of removing two large tree stumps becomes as easy as cutting butter. In just 11 minutes, I completed both giant tree stumps without any difficulty. The more I watched the machine sweep away tree stumps, the more impressed I became with its ability to handle heavy work. D6R XL bulldozer operator builds mountain road in minutes. Watch the Sea TD6R XL bulldozer pave the way at incredible speeds. Watch expert operators skillfully pilot formidable bulldozers, completing the entire road-building effort with unparalleled agility and precision. The dozer's advanced capabilities, combined with its unrivaled operational expertise, create a harmonious workflow that turns difficult tasks into victories. Safety is always the top priority. Cutting a strongly inclined tree is one of the most dangerous challenges for a sawyer, and today I will show you how to handle this type of tree safely. Using the Style MS462 CMA, this guy shares important techniques for cutting leaning trees without risk. This machine, with its strong capacity and smart features, helps me control every situation well. The scene was shocking when a giant chainsaw crashed into the house while cutting down a giant tree. No one can stand driving a log truck in the sweltering heat of Southeast Asia. The feeling of sitting in the hot cabin, sweat dripping drop by drop as the truck lumbered through the dusty roads, really drove me crazy. Distinguished by its great power and endurance, the SAE 270/670 shines in cutting, sawing, and transporting wood efficiently. No less impressive, the SA 270 Helgum Logma also offers absolute precision, making every task easier and faster than ever. There was excitement in the air as CBL High Production Logging took on the task of handling logging work with extreme efficiency. Mechanical arms reach out, easily reaching large tree trunks, overturning them and cutting the wood with precision. The roar of the engine echoed in the forest as the machine continued to operate, converting raw wood into sophisticated products, ready for further applications. Today, we were trying our hand at a giant oak log on the Holzforma Gate 188, and we have to say this saw gets the job done perfectly. To date, it has cut over 20 cubic meters of oak without any problems, something not all Style MS880S can do. In particular, the Holzforma G888 is only 1/3 the price of the Style MS880, but the performance is not inferior at all. The image of Mountain Logger 150